Hey, today we're going to have some fun. Just the name of this recipe cracks me up. Easy dump and bake meatball casserole. But what you're going to love about this is it's going to happen all in one pan. And I know that you are so busy during the work week. This is going to be a great one to dump and bake after a busy day. You're going to have a nice, hearty, warm meal with this casserole. Let's get into it. We're going to start out the casserole by greasing a 9 by 13 pan. Then we're going to add a jar of marinara sauce. I'm going to make sure I get all of that sauce out of the jar. Right behind that, I'm going to add 2 cups of water and or broth. You could substitute this for broth. I'm going to gently stir that a little bit. Next up, I'm going to add 2 cups of uncooked pasta. Now, I just used some noodles and pasta that was in my pantry, kind of used up some open boxes, which is a good way to get and use up all of your pasta. Next, I'm going to add in the frozen meatballs. Make sure that there's plenty in the dish. I'm going to cover it with tin foil. I'm going to place it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 35 minutes. Once that is complete, I'm going to bring it out of the oven and I'm going to garnish the top with mozzarella cheese. And you can put as much cheese on this. If you love cheese, you can load it up for sure. It's going to go back in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to pop up a recipe card on the screen for you to take a quick screenshot of the recipe that we're making here today. And I want to thank you for being here. And if you love to cook with me as much as I love to cook with you, maybe you could hit that like and subscribe button so we could see a little bit more of each other. Now let's taste this wonderful casserole. All right, here is our dump and bake meatball pasta casserole. Look at this. It is smelling so great. So you can see the nice meatballs in there. We got the mozzarella cheese that baked in on the top. We're going to take a nice big piece out here. Oh, look at that cheese pull. My goodness. Does that ever look good? So delicious. Boy, we put this together in less than 5 minutes. So again, when you've had a busy day and you've got to make dinner and feed a family, this is a perfect one. All right, look at all of this on the bottom. I mean, my goodness. Nice, hearty, comfy meatball casserole. I love the dump and bakes, right? I mean, the dump and bakes are just super, super easy, right? And then I'm also going to serve it up with some nice garlic bread here. And I forgot my fork, so I'm going to be right back. I think a little Parmesan cheese on top also would be divine. Got all these, the pasta that I threw in here was the rest of the pasta that I had in my cupboard, in my pantry, so I kind of have a mixed
Frankenstein pasta.
Yeah. So there we go. Oh, look at that cheese. Yum. So good. So hot. Perfection. It's the perfect temperature. It's not even so hot. Look at that nice dark cheese on top there. Well, I've got to have another bite. It is really good. You're going to like this one. So good, friends. This one's another winner. Not a chicken dinner, but a nice dump and bake a meatball casserole. So I'm going to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care.